Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're only going to open up two packages. One package is from Deep South Cutlery and Outdoors. I bought some knives from them. I just want to show y'all those. And another box I'm going to be opening all the way from Wilmington, Illinois, from Mr. Gordon. That's his second package. So thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, first we're going to open up the box from Mr. Gordon, all the way from Wilmington, Illinois. Check that out, y'all. I love these sheaths, Gordon. Thank you so much, buddy. Love that. Let's see what Mr. Gordon says. To Kevin, aka Knife Doctor. Hey, bud, how's it going? I'm good here today. In this box, I have a dark brown knife sheath that goes with that Damascus knife I sent you with blue scales and the carved spine. I also sent you a sheath one for your case trapper knives. I also sent a pair of poultry shears and a Japanese fishing knife and cherry bomb knife. Also some knife parts for your repairs. Enjoy, sir. Enjoy all the videos and keep up the great work. Yours truly, Gordon Holman, Kodiak Edge. Well, thank you, buddy. I appreciate all this. It's good for lanyards right here. That's awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. And here are the poultry shears he's talking about. Wow. It's made in Italy. Very cool. I like those. Put these up here in my toolbox. So, it's more of his cards, y'all. How you can contact him. Look at all that custom leather work he can do. Backwoods Leather, handcrafted by Gordon Holman, Wilmington, Illinois. Hoorah. Kodiak Edge. I like this, buddy. Thank you so much. He's on Facebook. I'll put one of these up on my wall of fame. Awesome. Thank you so much, buddy. That sticker looks good, too. Well, that's cool. You can always use the handle material. Check all that out, y'all. Yeah, that's what it looks like, a case. Wow. Bunch of handle material, y'all. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much for this, Gordon. Sound like blades here and spring. Check that out. That is awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. I love that. Let's take a look at this fishing knife. That looks like a fish. The sheath does. Wow. Floating fish knife. Wow, that thing will float. It's got a descaler, bottle opener, and a edge right there. Look at that little seahorse. Well, that's really cool, man. Stainless steel. Very cool, buddy. Thank you. I love that. I'll sand that down. Clean it up a little bit. It's a cherry bomb. I've seen these before. That's awesome. Check that out. Marymount exhaust system. Braceville, Illinois. Darbo Supply Company. Pretty sharp, too. These here are usually very sharp. They have good carbon steel in them. You can get them razor sharp. And they hold a good edge. Very cool. Thank you for that. Check all these out. Golly. Get some of them out. Look at that. Coleman Western. Look at that, y'all. These are like knife blanks. See there? This is so cool, Gordon. I can always use these, man. What's that right there? Soligen, Germany. Dude, this is nice. knife blank. Check that out. Western. How about that? Another German one. Dude, I love these, man. Look at all that, y'all. Ain't that so awesome? Western. Coleman Western. How about that? Miss Gordon, thank you so much for this, buddy. I might have to try one of these blades here on an old knife that needs a blade soon. Stainless. Say Western. Yep, Western USA. How about that? Very cool. Well, Mr. Gordon, thank you for all these parts, man. I love that. Love these sheaths too, buddy. Love it. Awesome, buddy. Thank you. I just want to thank Mr. Gordon for sending me those knife parts from Wilmington, Illinois, 726 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. That's his second package. Thank you, Mr. Gordon. Appreciate all that. All those knife parts, buddy. Appreciate you supporting the channel. God bless you. Here, guys, are the new knives that I bought from Deep South Cutlery. I think y'all like these. So here are the 3 knives. We'll open that one last. Check this one out, y'all. I had to have it, man. Ain't that so awesome? Red Hill Cutlery, capital of Kentucky. Ain't that cool? Look here. That is so cool, man. See, it's got his tracks right there and just walking up that trail. And it's my favorite one, too. It's got the, I think this is a Tinker. It's got a Phillips head screwdriver. I love this thing right here now. I'll be carrying it. I sure will. Look at that. It's got the flat tip screwdriver bottle opener. You got a little wire stripper. You got your little flat tip screwdriver, can opener. You got your small blade. You got your main blade. And you got your little sewing off punch blade right there. And you got your Phillips head screwdriver. And you can put it on a keychain if you need to, but I'm not going to do that. And then again, guys, these are the best tweezers on the market that you can buy right here. They got great grip. And they just can get the smallest of things. And of course your toothpick. But I had to have it, and I saw it on Deep South Cutlery. They have the most unique knives on there that they auction off, guys. They have an auction every Thursday night, starting 6 o'clock Central. They'll get in there and just talk and cut up. Then the first knife hits the auction block at 6:30 Central Time. So, great little knife here. And this one here, I had to have this one. This one's just like it. See that? SD Classic. You got your regular blade here. You got your fingernail file with a little flat tip screwdriver. Again, guys, SD Classic means that the point of the fingernail file is a flat tip screwdriver. SD Classic. The regular Classic just has a point up there. And this here, scissors. And again, tweezers. And your toothpick. That's going on my keychain. Hoorah. Now this one, guys, is a nice little case knife. Yeah, I need to wipe my hands off because I've been working on other knives. Been working on a project that didn't go right, but it ended up being just right. How about that? Check this little bad boy out. Ain't that awesome? Very cool. It's a little Sodbuster Junior. And it's got the American flag as a shield. Ain't that awesome? Very cool. And it's 2024. Hoorah. Beautiful. I love this. Again, guys, if y'all don't know who Deep South Cutlery is, great knives and good times. That's what they say. There we go, guys. Those are my 3 new knives from Deep South Cutlery. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. It wasn't much to it, but I just want to appreciate Mr. Gordon for sending me all those knife parts. Them knife, especially those blade blanks, those are awesome. I'm going to have to try some of those out and see what I can do with those and to try to repair an old knife. Even though it might not be a Western, I'm going to still try to put one of them blanks that don't have the Western stamp on there. Try to put it in one that needs a main blade. So we'll do that here sometime in the future. But I just love my Sasquatch knives. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting this one on my keychain. Don't y'all love that right there? Ain't that so cool? It's got him walking up the trail right there. I love it, really do. I'm a Bigfoot fan, guys. I'm not saying I believe in him, but I just like the theme. I just like the idea that he might be out there somewhere. You know what I mean? But he's cool. I've liked Bigfoot and Sasquatch ever since I seen Steve Austin. I don't know if any of y'all know who Steve Austin is. He's the Bionic Man, but he fought Bigfoot back in the 70s, and that really, I fell in love with Sasquatch or Bigfoot right then, because I used to love the $6 Million Man. I really did. He had that old bionic eye, and he was strong. He could jump. That joker was, he could do it all. He run fast. I've been working on some knives the last 2 days, guys. The one yesterday was a booger bear. I was trying to do something to it. It didn't turn out right, but it turned out just right. And you'll see what I'm talking about in tomorrow's video. So I just want to thank y'all again, guys, for tuning in. I want to say God bless y'all. Until we meet again, guys. Have a good night. Stay sharp.